How to fix Lenovo laptop black screen but turns on. This tutorial shows you how to resolve display issues when your laptop powers on but displays no picture. First, plug in your charger and check if the charging indicator light turns on. Next, if the indicator is on, your laptop is receiving power but the screen isn't displaying. Following that, try resetting your graphics driver using a keyboard shortcut. Now, press and hold Control plus Shift plus Windows key plus B simultaneously. Moving forward, I'm going to show this on the on-screen keyboard to make it easier to understand. Afterwards, you should hear a beep and the screen may flicker as the graphics driver resets. In addition to that, wait a few seconds to see if the display comes back on. Once there, if the screen is still black, try a hard reset. Subsequently, press and hold the power button for about 30 seconds. Moreover, this will force the laptop to completely shut down and clear any temporary issues. Afterwards, release the power button and press it again normally to turn on the laptop. Then, check if the display works now. And that's it. If this black screen fix helped you restore your Lenovo laptop display, give it a like, subscribe for more tech troubleshooting tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.